Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the April 2024 Electrical Engineering Boards. And good luck rin pala dun sa mga EE natin na mga Lodi Cakes na magte-take ng boards this coming August, kung di ako nagkakamali. So before natin sagutan yung problem na to, shoutout muna kay Ron Mejia, kay John Christian Tagle, at kay Ariel Sarenas Mercado. And maraming salamat sa inyong mga idolo sa patuloy na suporta sa channel ko. So yung problem natin is a word problem under algebra. A bus leaves Manila at 12 noon for Baguio, 250 km away, traveling at an average of 55 km per hour. At the same time, another bus leaves Baguio for Manila, traveling at 65 km per hour. At what time will they meet? So first thing, we have to assign T be the, kung ilan yung natin. So let T, so we will be assigning T be the time it takes bago sila mag-meet. Okay? For the bus to meet, for the buses. Tama mga Lodi Cakes, to meet. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan guys, itong T na to will represent kung after anong oras, ilang oras bago mag-meet yung dalawang bus natin. So, considering lang, let's say this is the first bus. This is bus A. And this is bus B. Ito kasi, let's say, ito yung location ng Manila. And this is the location of Baguio. The distance between A and B is given as 250 kilometers. Right? Notice that A, or bus A is going from Manila to Baguio at an average of 55 kilometers per hour. So, papunta siya dito mga idolo. Tapos ito naman, papunta dito from Baguio to Manila. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So, para mag-meet sila, so for the two buses to meet, they must cover a total distance of 250 kilometers. Using the concept of distance equals the product of the velocity or the speed and the time t. So, the first distance traveled by bus A, which is leaving from Manila to Baguio, will be equal to its speed, that is 55, multiplied by the time t na hindi natin alam. Ano yung time t na yan, Sir IG? What is the time t? The time t is the time when it will meet the second bus. So we have this one, distance equals st, d1 equals 55t. So ito yung d1 natin mga idolo. So this is d2. So our D2 will be equal to the product of the speed, which is 65, multiplied by the same time t. Considering the fact that they must travel a total distance of 250 kilometers, so we have D1 plus D2 equals 250 kilometers. So substitute na lang mga Lodi Cakes, 55t plus 65t equals 250, right? So, 120t equals 250. So, solving for t, Sir IJ, we have 25 all over 12. Or that is simply 2 and 1 over 12 hours. Alam natin na ang isang oras, ang arte ng isang oras, that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So, that means that 2 and 1 over 12 will be equal to 2 hours plus ilang minutes to mga Lodi Cakes? 1 over 12 hours. 2 hours and, okay, that is correct. So, 1 over 12 multiplied by 60, so that is equal to 5 and 5 minutes. Okay, I hope that is clear. So, anong oras ba sila umalis? What time did they leave Manila and Baguio? So, that's 12 noon. So, 12 noon plus 2 hours and 5 minutes. So, that is equal to 14:05 or simply in PM, so that is equivalent to 2:05 PM. So guys, let us just take into consideration that if they are going towards each other, you will do addition sign. Makikita nyo plus yan. Kapag they are traveling on the same, kumbaga sabay sila ng, tawag mo dito, same path, like pare silang papunta, so automatic, that is subtraction. Okay? So ulitin natin, kapag towards, addition, mga Lodi Cakes, kapag same, automatically, okay, that's correct, subtraction mga Lodi Cakes. So if ever you have questions or clarifications regarding the given board problem, feel free to ask questions mga Lodi Cakes, and I hope na-refresh kayo kahit napaka-basic lang naman ito, honestly. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. I hope mas marami pa kayong matutunan. Kita-kits sa mga susunod na math and engineering related tutorial natin. Bye-bye and God bless.